Yeah. Nizzle. Time to kick a little something with a groove for ya. Time to kick it real smooth for ya. Take it back one time, here's a mood for ya. Guava in the house, ooh, oh yeah. Say, everything gon' be alright, hey. Everything gon' be alright, hey. Everything gon' be alright, hey. Everything gon' be alright. Told my new shorty, meet me at the day party, Had to run a few errands for the party, Rooftop, super fly, up in Harlem, Every day we celebrate, cause we be ballin', She texts me like, do you need a guava juice? And I text reply like, I know you know I do. But I'm a scooper, don't you worry about that. Just worry about your heels, you should carry some flats. Home fries and mimosas at brunch. I'm with my guys, we just tryna have fun.